channel. If you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button and join the beauty gang. Also hit that bell button so you won't miss any kind of uploads from me. And also make sure you follow all my social medias here on the screen and also down in the description box. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be giving you guys a tutorial on how to install your frontal wig, or just if you have a frontal and you want to learn how to install it, this will be the video for you. And I'm also going to be giving you guys a review on this wig here from AliExpress. So this is the 1B Honey Blonde loose wave human hair. It's a 13x4 and 150 density. And this company also bleached the knots for you and also did the baby hairs, so you ain't gotta do all this. Okay, now this is a glueless wig. I did install this unit before, but I didn't glue it down. I just rocked it just to see how I really liked it. As far as in washing it, it's pretty decent. It doesn't shed much as far as in the hair I had in the past. Love this wig. I love everything about it. The length, the color, and just basically how thick it is. And it already came, like I said, it came this color, and I got it in 30 inches, and I think they give you all those options on there. If you guys are interested in this wig, I'll leave a link down below. But enough of my rambling. If you want to see how I installed this beautiful wig, then keep on watching.